Marcos Jr. ang nagpapatunay na wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay.
Journalist Percival Mabasa was fatally shot near his home in the country's capital, Manila, according to the police, prompting condemnation from the media groups and activists who described his assassination as a blow to press freedom. Mabasa was reportedly shot while he was driving in the country's capital. Two assailants attacked Mabasa at the gate of a residential compound in the Las Piñas area of Manila on Monday night and shot him twice in his head. In a statement, the National Union of Journalists of the Philippines said that Masaba's killing showed that journalism remains a dangerous profession in the country. That the incident took place in Metro Manila indicates how brazen the perpetrators were and how authorities have failed to protect the journalists as well as ordinary citizens from harm, it added. Mabasa had been critical of red tagging, accusing someone of being a communist sympathizer, as well as online gambling operations and misinformation around martial laws, the union said. He was also an outspoken critic of former President Rodrigo Duterte, as well as policies and officials in the government of his successor Ferdinand Marcos Jr., it added. However, reports have suggested that Marcos Jr.'s office was concerned about the killing and has called for the officials to conduct an investigation. Amid all the outrage, the country's police chief has vowed to bring the perpetrators to justice and indicated that they will set up a national task force to investigate the attack. We are not discounting the possibility that the shooting could be related to the victim's work in media, said Police Chief James Santos in a statement, as the motive of the attack remains unclear. The journalist's family has called this killing a deplorable crime and demanded that his cowardly assassins be brought to justice, said media reports. On the other hand, foreign embassies of the Netherlands, Canada and the UK have condemned the killing and called for swift action against the assailants.
Wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay na mga mamamahayag. Si Marcos Jr. ang nagpapatunay na wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay na mga mamamahayag. Si Marcos Jr. ang nagpapatunay na wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay na mga mamamahayag. Si Marcos Jr. ang nagpapatunay na wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay na mga mamamahayag. Si Marcos Jr. ang nagpapatunay na wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kanyang ama. Pareho lamang sila na pumatatay na mga mamamahayag.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.